Good morning, Playgroup friends. Before I read our story, which is going to be Little Blue Truck, let's start with our good morning song. Good morning, Playgroup friends, how are you? Great, great. Good morning, Playgroup friends, how are you? Great, great. We're all here today because children's work is play. Good morning, Playgroup friends, how are you? Great, great. Little Blue Truck by Alice Schertle. Horn went beep, engine purred, friendliest sound you ever heard. Little Blue Truck came down the road, beep said blue to a big green toad. Toad said hi and winked an eye as Little Blue Truck went rolling by. Sheep said baa, cow said moo. Oink said a piggy, beep said moo. Cluck said a chicken, and her chick said peep. Ma said a goat, blue said beep. Neigh said a horse, quack said a duck. Beep said the friendly Little Blue Truck. Honk, yelled the dump truck, coming through. I've got big important things to do. I haven't got time to pass the day with every duck along the way. Honk. Vroom went the dump. Around a curve he saw a puddle and tried to swerve. Into the mud rolled the big fat truck, and his big important wheels got stuck. His heavy-duty dump truck tires were stuck down deep in muck and mire. Honk, cried the dump, and he sounded scared. Nobody heard or nobody cared. Then, into the mud, bump, 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 came the Little Blue Truck to help the dump. Little Blue Pup pushed with all his might. Now Blue and the dump were both stuck tight. Help, help, cried the Little Blue Truck. Beep, 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 I'm stuck, I'm stuck. Everybody heard that beep, beep, beep. The cow came running with the pig and the sheep. Up at a gallop came the big brown horse. Goat jumped over the fence, of course. The hen came flapping with the chick and the duck, and everybody pushed the Little Blue Truck. Head to head and rump to rump, they all pushed Blue, who pushed the dump. They couldn't quite budge that heavy load when who popped up but the big green toad. All together, 1, 2, 3. One last push, and the trucks were free. Thanks, little brother, said the dump to Blue. You helped me, and they helped you. Now I see a lot depends on a helping hand from a few good friends. Beep, said Blue. Who wants a ride? Everybody scrambled to jump inside. Oink, quack, baa, moo, cluck, beep, neigh, croak, ma. And what did Blue say? Beep, beep, beep. The end. Thank you. All right, now it's time to sing some songs. First, we're going to sing Old MacDonald, and I brought some friends along to help me. Ruff, 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 it's a dog. It's a duck. Oink, 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 oink. It's a pig. All right, let's start with the dog. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm he had a dog, E-I-E-I-O. With a roof, roof here and a roof, roof there. Here a roof, there a roof, everywhere a roof, roof. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm he had a duck, E-I-E-I-O. With a quack, quack here and a quack, quack there. Here a quack, there a quack, everywhere a quack, quack. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm he had a pig, E-I-E-I-O. With an oink, oink here and an oink, oink there. Here an oink, there an oink, everywhere an oink, oink. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Well done! All right, let's do row, row, row your boat. Are you ready? Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 life is but a dream. Again! Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 life is but a dream. Yay! All right, this next song might be new for some of you. It's Little Bo Peep. Little Bo Peep has lost her sheep and doesn't know where to find them. Leave them alone and they'll come home, wagging their tails behind them. All right. Our last song is a stand-up song. It's I'm a Little Teapot. So let's all stand up and I'm going to change the camera. All right, are you ready for I'm a Little Teapot? I'm a little teapot, short and stout. Here is my handle, here is my spout. When I get all steamed up, hear me shout. Tip me over and pour me out. All right, now let's do the other side. I'm a little teapot, short and stout. Here is my handle, here is my spout. When I get all steamed up, hear me shout. Tip me over and pour me out. Well done, everyone. Well, thank you for joining me for another circle time. I was wondering, have any of you seen my friend Miss Cindy and her friend Spotty? I wonder what he's up to this week. Maybe you can find him in another video. All right, until next time. Goodbye, friends. Goodbye, friends.